Marcus. Marcus. Babe. Baby boy. Marcus. Babe. Marcus. Babe. Wake up, babe. Let's go pick up your ate. Marcus. 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 Yes, asleep. Marcus. Let's go pick up sister. Marcus. Hi. Good morning. You like your school? Yeah? You like to sleep here? Huh? You wanna sleep here? Let's go pick up ate. You wanna pick up ate? Huh? You wanna stay here? Huh? Do you wanna stay here? Marcus? Okay. Do you wanna stay here? I got something for you. You wanna see it? Did you eat? Say hi. You like your school, huh? You like your school, baby? Let's go pick up ate. No. Now you wanna stay here? You like it, huh? We'll come back. Okay?